Namaste, my dear friends. Today let us have a discussion about the trees. This is a session related to English. Already we have discussed yesterday, and today also we are going to describe the tree. We are learning to describe anything, and today's description is about the trees. And this is completely oral discussion. We need not write anything. Please try to listen carefully. Here, my dear friends, this is a banyan tree. There are many different varieties of trees are there around us. Please try to discuss about the different varieties of trees around you. There are trees like mango tree, ashoka tree, banyan tree, peepal tree, blueberry trees. There are custard apple trees. There are varieties of trees are there. Some trees give fruits. Some trees are useful for the wood, and in that way some useful for the medicinal purpose. So in that way there are varieties of uses are there. Now if you take a banyan, this is a banyan fruit, very small orange colored banyan fruit. This is a banyan fruit. If you just cut this fruit open, the banyan seed is very small. There are so many seeds in a banyan. There are so many banyan seeds are there. Very small. When the seed is very small, very small, many seeds are there. So in a banyan seed, if you just put a banyan seed on your hand, you can't even see it properly. Very small. Such a small seed, if you put in the soil, it grows into a huge tree. It grows into a banyan tree. And this banyan tree lives for a long time, hundreds of years. So the lifespan of the trees are very long lifespans. They live for hundreds of years. Some seeds are very small. Though the size of the tree is huge in size, the seed is very small. Some seeds are big size. Some are small in size. The size of the seeds differ. So you can list out the seeds which are small in size, list out the seeds which are big in size, like mango seed, it is big in size. And in a tree, the tree grows from a seed. From the seed, a plant comes. This plant, we have to care the plant, because many grazing animals will be grazing it. So we have to protect this from the grazing animals. After 1-2 years, it becomes taller than the grazing animal. Now the grazing animal cannot reach it. Till then we have to protect it. This plant, today's plant becomes tomorrow's tree. Now you are able to see a tree. This is almost 40 to 50 years old tree. It's a huge tree. Almost the height of the tree is more than 40 feet height. Some trees are very tall. Some are okay. The height of the trees differ. And it is having a very hard stem. The stem is very hard. Woody stem. And this layer we call it as a bark of a tree. And the tree is having many branches are there. There are many branches are there. And the tree is green, filled with all the leaves. And we get flowers. From the flower we get a fruit. After the fruit is ripe, we get the seed, a ripe seed. When the ripe seed is again placed in the soil and the proper care is being taken, again a plant comes. In that way a cycle continues. And during the autumn, if you see that all the leaves will be falling down. This fallen leaves, you can see there is a lot of fallen leaves here. These are all the fallen leaves. Right? All these leaves, these fallen leaves, increases the humus in the soil. And these humus are going to add the fertility of the soil. You can just show, this is the fertility of the soil. These humus are going to increase the fertility of the soil. This is going to increase the fertility of the soil. So the fertility of the soil is being maintained by increasing the carbon percentage, by increasing the humus in the soil. So the dry leaves, fallen leaves should not be burnt. It should be seen that we have to take care that it dissolves in the soil. It again becomes a part and parcel of the soil. And this tree is a shelter for many birds. Many birds live on the tree, they keep their nest and they live on the tree. It is a shelter for many birds. Many ants live on the tree. Many insects live on the tree. Many animals live on the branches like monkeys. So it is a shelter for many. And when it is very hot, hot summer, we like to be in the shade of a tree. The shade of the tree is very comfortable. The shade of a tent is not comfortable, but the shade of the tree is very comfortable. So under the tree, many cows are coming and just taking rest. In the summer season, the farmers are resting. The animals are resting under the shade. So the shade of the tree is very comfortable for us. So my dear friends, this tree, externally we are able to see the stem, the branches, the leaves and all these things externally. But internally, inside it, there is a huge root system is there, which is not seen, we can't see. The tree is standing because of that root system. The roots are holding the tree, and these roots are stopping the soil erosion, are minimizing the soil erosion, holding the soil. It is helping in holding the soil, and it is even helping the water to percolate inside. Whenever there is rainfall, the rainfall water, instead of running, it percolates through the roots. The root system will allow the water to percolate into the earth's crust, and the groundwater level can be increased. So wherever there is a forest or more number of trees are there, the groundwater can be increased. Not only that, it continuously evaporates the water. So the water vapor in the environment will be increased, and it continuously gives out the oxygen. So it is a generator of oxygen, a natural generator of oxygen. It is giving oxygen, taking carbon dioxide. We are taking oxygen, giving carbon dioxide. There is a cycle here. So they are giving oxygen, taking carbon dioxide. We are taking oxygen, giving carbon dioxide. This is a proper cycle, has to be maintained. So it is giving oxygen at free of cost. So it is our responsibility to take care of the trees. Wherever the trees are more number of trees kept at a place, we call it as forest. And there are many uses of the forest. Again, we are going to discuss about that. So, my dear friends, now we have discussed different points about the tree. Whenever there is a birthday or whenever there is a special occasion, please see that you are giving gift as a small plant which lives for a long time. That means plant which grows into a tree. When it is small, we call it as plant, but when it is growing, we call it as tree. Please try to give such kind of plants as gifts to your friends. Even you also try to nurture 1 or 2 plants which grows into a tree which has more than 100 years of lifespan. So my dear friends, there is a woman in India, her name is Timmakka, and in a record we have seen that she has grown more than 1 lakh trees. She has grown more than 1 lakh trees. There are few people who are caring for the nature. Let us all preserve this nature and let us all make this planet to be suitable for the next generations to live. Thank you.
Now we have discussed about the trees and its uses. Now I request everyone to open your paper and see in your papers. Let me read out. Birds love trees. They make nests in them. In the villages, farmers rest under trees on a hot afternoon. So do their cows and goats. But we need trees most in the cities. A street without trees is hot. A street with flowering trees looks beautiful. Let's discuss the exercise part. Everyone see in your papers. What does the passage say? Let us read the passage, and you have to choose the correct option that is given in your books. Read the sentences below. Each sentence has 2 words in brackets. Which is the right word? Write that word in your exercise book along with the number of the sentence. Let me read out the first one. All of you check your books. First one. Goats, comma, birds make nest in trees. Next, second one. On a hot afternoon, farmers or birds sit under trees. Who sit under the trees? Farmers or birds? Farmers as well as farmers. One, trees are needed most in the cities or in villages. Trees are needed mostly in the cities as well as in the villages also. Okay. Fourth one, a street without trees is hot or beautiful? A street without trees is very hot. A street with flowering trees is hot or beautiful? A street with flowering tree is very beautiful. In the same way, once turn your papers, all of you, and here we come across few new words and you have to match according to the picture.